Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to download SBI bank statement. Firstly, open your browser and go to the official online SBI website. Click on Login, under Personal Banking, then enter your username, password and CAPTCHA to sign in. Once you're logged in, click on My Accounts tab, then select Account Statement. Now, if you have multiple accounts linked to your customer ID, you'll see them listed. Just click the circle next to the account number for which you want to download the statement. Now you'll see 4 options to define your statement period: by date, month, last 6 months, or FY or PFF account. Choose this option that fits your needs, and after selecting the time period, choose how you want to get the file, as a PDF format or Excel format. You can also choose View if you just want to check the statement online. Once ready, click the Go button and your statement will start downloading immediately on your computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more simple banking and finance tutorials.